What is up, everybody? We are here again in the freaking yaks, man. Cannot get enough of fishing in the yaks right now, especially since I got my new yak. It's been awesome. We are out at Riverfront Park right now. We're gonna be hitting that back slough again. It's been about a year since I've been over there. Last time I was out there with my buddy, I wasn't recording, but we were slamming into fish left and right, so I'm hoping that we can get another good day like that. It is a pretty crazy overcast day today. I woke up a little late today and I thought it was going to be already pretty hot, but turns out that it's pretty cold actually. I thought it was actually going to rain, so I think we're going to shoot back there right now. My buddy's over there trying to get into some fish right off the bank right there. Probably fish here for a little bit and then shoot to that back slough. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's get into the fishing. All right, guys, we managed to make it across that gravel area where the Pringle Creek used to come in like crazy, but now it's barely coming in, just by a little now. So thought I was gonna have to get wet coming over here, but turns out just had to carry my kayak across those rocks and pretty much solid. I'm switching up right now. I did have a top water on there, but I switched it up for a Texas rig. I'm gonna be putting a bandito bug on there right now. I'm looking at the colors, looks like it's pretty freaking murky here, so I'm going with I think I'm probably gonna go with like a black and blue. Let's see what I got. Yeah, I think this one's actually like a dark green and blue, but this is one of my go-to colors in the bandito bugs right here, especially if I'm gonna be fishing some murky water. Here, just right here, it's got that dark green right there on one side. What's that? Look at that blue. Woo, looks nice. Heck yeah. Got one, bro. Got one. Finally got one. First fish of the day. There it is. Woo. All right. That's what's up. That was gonna be dead for a while. Been out on the water for about like an hour and a half now. Yeah, it's a nice fish, man. Look at that. Woo! Heck yeah. Yeah, spinnerbait. Let's let it go. Oh, nice. Have to go over there and take a couple casts. Got it, bro. Whew. Second one. Not as big as the last, but I'll take it. Nice little chunk. Oh man, get out of here. You want to go. You want to go so bad. He's in a hurry to bite, in a hurry to go. Just want to take a bite and get the heck out of here. That's what I like to see.
This one is, dude. That's
yeah.
what I'm saying, because the water isn't that warm. But
no, but they're warm. They're really warm.
They're really warm. I barely got this guy off this side.
Oh! Little acrobat, man.
For real. Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
That's one way to get it going today.
Got it, bro. I don't know how big this one is. I didn't see it. Oh, dude. Another one. Right off that edge, dude. Another decent one. Look at that. Woo! Take some pictures so I got proof. Telling everybody, hey man, I did pretty good out there. Like, yeah, right. Gotta have proof, man. Right? He's gone. Bro, did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude, that was freaking massive. Oh my gosh. Dude, it got the tail of my lure. Oh my gosh. It got the tail end of my lure, dude. That was like a 5-pounder right there, dude. Ridiculous. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it was gonna trail my lure that close to the freaking kayak, but he did. Oh my gosh. That one like shot out of the water to get my freaking lure. He wanted it bad. Got one. Oh, dude, he just came off. Did you see that? Oh, oh my gosh. It's like, what's the point of fishing anymore, bro? I almost want to tie on a topwater, dude, because the bandito bug's not doing anything. Probably. This one's a little guy, dude. Dang it. Doesn't even compare to those other ones that just freaking hit. Now I'm all sad. I'm like, here's another small one. No. Trying to steal my lure. Sorry, dude. I'd let you take it, but you'd probably die if it stayed in your freaking stomach, dude. Or you'd have a hard time later. Another little guy. He's gone. Got one. Oh, that feels like that's a pretty good one. I think I can lift this one up. Woo! Oh, come on. There we go. Another nice one. Pretty decent this time. Woo! Feels good. Feels good. Different spinnerbait. Same little trailer. Same, well, Strike King brand, but just different color on the head. Same little trailer. Another nice one. Get out of here. Heck yeah. All right. Got another memory card in there. Let's get some fish. I think the wind's finally calmed down a little bit. It's not as crazy as it was just a second ago. So it shouldn't be too bad. I hope. No, my buddy is just tearing them up over there. Got one. Oh my gosh. Stay down. That is nice. That's a nice one right there. Stay down. Stay down. Come on, stay down. Stay down. Double up! Oh my god. Get out of of my pole. No, come here. Double up! Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Right off that weed line. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, there we go. Ivan! Dude, did we double up? Dude, keep slamming them. This is a beautiful fish. Look at that. That is a chunker, dude. Woo! I don't have my scale, so I can't even tell how much it weighs. It's got to be at least pushing 2 pounds, I'd say. But heck yeah, pretty awesome. Let it go. Heck yeah. Oh man, that sucked. My freaking net was like stuck right on my freaking pole. Got wrapped right on the, what is it, the little like extra piece for the hooks. That way you can just put your hook right on there. That was insane. As soon as it dropped, I got a slam. Freaking awesome. Got it. Get out of those weeds. There it is. There it is. Heck yeah. Okay, camera angle's gonna get a little messed up right now, guys. Just trying to get this fish on the hook. Got hooked in a weird spot, and I'm just trying to get that hook out without doing some major damage. Just trying to find out where that hook is real quick. There we go. Almost lost my pole. Don't really want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. And almost lost my oar. Well, there he is. Another little chunk. Bam. Just ridiculous. What are we doing today, guys? It is a spinner bait bite today. Look at that. Shoot. Nice. Boop. It's gone. Well, you know it's a good day when you lose count of how many fish you've got. I don't even know how many my friends got over there. He got, that I've seen, like 3 so far, which is pretty good. I have no idea how many I've got. I'd say around like 6 or 7 so far. I've missed 2 giant ones, and I've yet to get another big one that even compared to those ones that I lost. I don't know if you guys seen that when I was reeling my lure in kind of fast, because I was pretty close to my kayak, so I was trying to just bring it in and just recast again, and it just exploded on the surface right there. It's just chasing my freaking lure all the way up to the top. Sorry if I keep doing this, just trying to adjust myself in the kayak. But then I had another one, and I lost that one. I actually got to fight that one for a little bit, but ended up losing it, so it sucks. But we still have so much area to cover right now. Let's get back into it, guys. I think I took enough little break right here, sitting down. Let's get back to it. Let's get some more fish, guys. Woohoo! Calm down, little chunky man. Calm down. Calm down. I seen you slam my lure, dude. Heck yeah. See where you got hooked at, my friend. Oh, I guess you shook the lure loose. Alright, well shoot. There he is. A little chubby. Heck yeah. You can get a picture of this one. I haven't been taking pictures of none of them. It's kind of weird. I always take pictures. Heck yeah. Boop. And he is gone. God, oh man, I almost lost my freaking pole. Jeez. Oh, that's a chunker. That is a chunker. I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. I'm gonna get my net. Oh, come on. Come on, chunker, don't get off. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. God, you son of a donkey. You son of a donkey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no wonder why I almost freaking, no wonder why. Oh my gosh. Now I know. Now I know I almost just lost my freaking pole out of my hand when I set the hook on him. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I'm stuck on. I'm stuck on all different kinds of stuff right here. What am I stuck on? I want to try and get a weight on this fish if I can. Oh my god. See if I can get to him. Shoot, that was amazing. Where is his number at?
329.
Dang, dude.
That was 319, the one that I got over there, bro. And then the one before that was 275.
Dude, oh
that's
my
a pig,
gosh,
doggy.
dude.
Here, let me take a picture of you on that.
Oh my god. Dude, I almost lost my pole when I set the hook on it.
Dang. That's a freaking pig, bro. Heck yeah.
Oh gosh, dude. Let's let it go. Chunk is gone, dude. Oh my god, bro. Well, guys, I think this is the end of the road for this adventure. I wish I could record more, but my SD card is acting up right now and does not want to cooperate with me. I've already went through 2 memory cards, so those are completely full of all the content that I've gotten so far. So it sucks, and I hate to have to cut it short, shorter than I want it to. I've already been fishing for about, I'd say like 5-6 hours now, so not too bad. I still wanted to try to record going back the other way on the other side fishing, but oh well. We tried, we got out here, we got a lot of fish. I don't even know how many I've got. I'll try to count them. And well, the SD card cut me off while I was recording that. But like I was saying, I do believe this is it. If I get some while I'm fishing, the rest of the way back, I will try to take some pictures and put them in the video at the end of it. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please help the channel out. Let's get it growing. Let's try to get to 500 by the end of the summer, guys. Until then, tight lines, guys.